Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. This video I will be doing just a little cleanup throughout my home, and I'm going to start off in the bedroom. I'm going to make up my bed, and I will be adding just a little few fall touches in my home, but I wanted to start off by changing the linen on my bed, so that's what I'm doing. And also I will be doing a little cleanup in the dining room. So my home is not that bad at all, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be talking here and there throughout, but for the most part I will not be talking. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also please give this video a thumbs up. So I won't be adding any fall decor just yet in my bedroom, but that will be coming. And I'm going to put my bedspread. This is my favorite bedspread. This is from Target. I get a lot of questions on where I purchased it from, but you guys, it is from Target. So it's a really good bedspread, good quality. It is by the brand Threshold. So I know it comes in a ivory cream color also, and they do have the matching pillow shams, but everything is sold separately. But this color is gray, so it is one of my favorites. So now I'm going to put back my accent rugs. These are from Walmart. They are by the brand Mainstay. So I like to have accent rugs on each side of my bed. These are plush, kind of, well, not plush, but they're the shag kind. They are pretty big in size. I don't remember the exact size, but they were no more than $16. And today I decided to use my Swiffer. I haven't used this in a long time because usually I just get my broom and my dustpan and sweep, but I'm using this just to get up any dust because I did mop a few days prior, so that's what I'm using this for, just to get up any dust and things like that.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you. I'm gonna let it shine on you.
Now I'm going to add this decorative bowl that is from Home Goods, and I'm going to put some artificial fruit in here. I have different fruit from Hobby Lobby and Michael's.
We will survive. And then I take the first step a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you,
I do have a few things that I want to add in my living room for fall, so I'm going to add one of them today in the living room, but I'm not finished. I'm almost finished, but not quite. I did not decorate my coffee table, so you won't see that in this video just yet, but I do have links to different decor items that you see in this video, so please be sure to check the description box.
Now I know I can, and I will get